Ja sam na poziciji. We are at Varaždin Airport and we are doing a quite unique stunt. We have the Rimac Nevera and we have an acrobatic plane, and we're doing a drag race. And on top of that, we're doing a drag race with the airplane flying inverted.
Sure, this is going to be a big challenge for the car, for the driver, and for me as an aerobatic pilot in the plane. We are starting with high speed, with around 250 kilometers per hour.
We need to be coordinated. I cannot see the plane when I'm looking up because of the roof.
We have to align with the car. With a low altitude, it's going to be around 10 meters high.
And then after that, we're going to excel from that over 300.
It's going to be a tough race.
It's a challenge for both of us.
Let the faster win.
Top Gun action.